Hey there, car enthusiasts. Have you ever seen this pointing to the all warning light pop up on your dashboard and thought, what does that mean? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about all warning lights, what they mean, why they come on, and what to do if you see one. The word all light can refer to the all pressure light, or the all level light in new vehicles. All level and pressure are monitored by separate warning lights. In others, there's one light for both. The all level warning light manifests as an old all can, with waves or lines underneath. This engine light glows yellow when activated. An illuminated all level warning light means that you're running low on engine oil, and it needs refilling soon. It can also mean that your vehicle needs an oil change. An all pressure warning light is a red light with a picture of an old oil can. Some vehicles display the words low oil pressure. As the name suggests, the all pressure warning light indicates issues with engine oil pressure, either too low or extremely high, though the latter rarely occurs. Here are several possible reasons that can trigger an illuminated all pressure indicator light. The main culprit of an illuminated all pressure indicator light is low oil levels. As oil level decreases, so does oil pressure, which is bad for your vehicle. Heavily contaminated, dirty, or degraded engine oil could trigger your all pressure light. Engine oil collects dirt and small metal particles as it runs through the car engine. Excessively dirty oil can block the oil system or change the viscosity, leading to low oil pressure. If your oil pressure light still comes on after regular oil changes, you might have a leak in the oil system. An oil leak can happen internally or externally, and it can cause a burning smell or smoke from the car engine. Your oil pump circulates engine oil through the system and is pumped out of the oil pan with constant pressure. If the oil pump fails to work or gets stuck, the oil won't circulate and the pressure will drop. Another reason the oil pressure light might come on is a faulty oil pressure sensor. This sensor monitors the oil pressure inside the system. It notifies the engine control module if the pressure drops below a certain threshold. A worn-out oil pressure sensor can send wrong signals to the ECM and trigger a false oil light and a check engine light. Worn engine components can also cause an activated low oil pressure light. Dents on the piston or bearing seal damage can cause oil leaks, which lowers the oil pressure. If worn engine parts cause an illuminated oil pressure indicator light, the check engine light will also light up. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine, and the oil warning light is its way of crying for help. Keep an eye on it, and you'll save yourself a lot of trouble down the road. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.